death of Manmohan Singh ji is a great loss to the nation. He is an extraordinary person. He contributed so much for the nation building. He started his career as an academician, started as a lecturer, then reader, then professor, then economic advisor to governments, then he became a bureaucrat, secretary, and also he became RBI governor and deputy chairman, planning commission, UGC chairman. All these academic institutions he held very efficiently. Then finally he became finance minister and also prime minister of this great country. He brought so many reforms during the time. Everybody is aware economic reforms. That is the direction he has given for this great nation. Apart from that, as prime minister, he created excellent public policies, right to information, right to employment, that is NREGA, and also right to education, and also Aadhaar. These are all the landmark public policies he created, which are all useful either today and tomorrow also. Again, the loss for the country is huge, sometimes destiny. What all he initiated and he achieved, all these things you remember, they are going to give big gains for future generation. Future generation has to keep its ideology and take this country forward. Thank you.